Welcome to Tools, Tech, and Gear. I'm Seth. I just went up to my local Lowe's and I picked up a utility shelf that has 6 tiers and is rated at 600 pounds capacity. I also picked up the caster wheels that go with this unit and thought I would film a video to share with you and see what this looks like. So let's go ahead and unbox this and put this together. This shelf did come from my local Lowe's. It is the Style brand. And I thought it would be a good shelf to put here in my studio. This does weigh a good bit, so be careful whenever you pick this up. The components found inside of this shelf are the 8 different leg pieces. It has bags of these plastic bits that will go around the leg where the holes of the shelves will lock into. It does have 6 of the wire shelves and has an instruction manual here. Step 1 for me is to remove the threaded foot here on the end of each of these legs because I'm going to be using those caster wheels to roll this around. Now that I've removed the feet from these poles, it's time to get the bottom shelf installed. So I'm going to open up this little packet of plastic pieces. These are angled at a specific way that will allow the shelf to lock down upon the pole. And you can see here it indicates the word top right there on that foot. So whenever you go to install this on the leg, you just make sure you find the location you want that to snap onto. So for instance, right here, and I just snap that together. So whenever that shelf goes on here, it will lock this in. I'm going to take those 2 bits and on each of the legs, I'm going to let the line that's in here snap onto that lowest point, just like that. And that will be where that lowest shelf is going to go. Now that I have those black plastic pieces on the leg, I'm going to slide these into my first shelf piece until that black plastic catches. This is the point where I'm going to install the caster wheels. These have a 400-pound weight limit to them, so hopefully I won't be putting any more weight than that on this single shelf. The reason I'm doing this step now is because as I put this together it gets heavier and heavier, so I just want to make sure that I have it installed before it gets too heavy. There we go. We'll do all 4 of those. These caster wheels do come with a tiny wrench which you can stick into this gap right here and tighten them down so that they won't be coming loose as this rolls around. Now that I have the caster wheels installed, let's flip this up and set it on the ground so we can get to the next shelf here. Now for the next shelf, I want it to be a little bit high so that I can put some bigger things in here, and then some of the taller shelves up here will be a lot closer together. So let's take a space about right here, and that should give over a foot that I can put things into. Just like the previous shelf, I'm going to slide this next one down on all of the legs. Very good. That should be enough room in there to allow plenty of things to store in this shelf. I'm going to put another shelf right here, and that will complete the first portion of this, and then we'll add the additional poles up top here next. Now that I have that done, it's time to add the additional extensions to the legs here. So I'm just going to screw those in just like this. Now that I have the extensions on the legs, it's just a matter of using those plastic bits again to continue adding these shelves. So I'm gonna do that without you, and then we will take a look at it once it is totally complete here. All right, time to get the last shelf on here. So far it's been a pretty easy assembly. There we go. Once you get a couple of those on there, it definitely makes this a solid rack. Very nice. Rolls around easy as well. Here's a look of the completed shelf with its caster wheels in tow. So you can see I have left a good bit of space there on the bottom two, actually the bottom three, and then the top two up here a little bit closer. But with the different sections here on the legs, you can put those shelves about anywhere you want to, and it is certainly a strong shelf. Once you get about two of these on here, everything else just becomes nice and rigid. And I had to remove this shelf for misalignment, and it was not easy. So once this thing locks down, it is certainly on there nice and tight. Now, I hope this thing will fit through my door. Let's test that out real quick. Just thinking it might be nice to be able to roll this from one room to the next. Oh yeah, definitely enough room up there for that to slide through. Now the caster wheels that you can purchase for this shelf do have a lock, so you can click there or here and it will lock those wheels in place. Doesn't seem to do too great of a job, but there we go, that's better. And that concludes the quick assembly of this heavy-duty utility shelf. I did buy this from Lowe's for $130. It's pretty heavy, so make sure you pick it up with somebody else. And the assembly was pretty quick and easy. I'm looking forward to having this space for storing all kinds of stuff here in the near future. So I'll try to leave a link for this on the Lowe's website if you want to go check it out, but it seems to be a well-built shelf, so glad to have it. I'm Seth with Tools, Tech, and Gear, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.